Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Portia, and along with my husband, we run Black Tea and Honey Soaps and Candles. And in today's video, we're going to be packing up our Mother's Day boxes that sold over the weekend. And if you did not see our previous video, I'll show you really quickly what goes in each box. First off, we have our lilac soap. Then each box had the option of a lilac soap or a lavender scented soap. So one of these would go in the box. And then finally, I am going to hand select two flowers out of here. These are the flowers from Sola Flowers, or Love Sola Flowers. And I'm calling them forever flowers because you can decorate your home with them, make stem flowers and things like that. So they last forever. In each box, I'm also including a little blurb about the Sola Flowers, as well as a thank you card. And on the back, I have included a QR code, which takes the customer to a video where I explain how they can make the flowers into stem flowers. All right, so let's get to packing up these orders. Thank you to everyone who ordered a box this year, our lilac and lavender box for Mother's Day. We really appreciate your support, and I hope that your mother enjoys it. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.